Has this happened to you before? This is a new Honda Civic. I know that because it says somewhere else in the back. And I can tell by looking at it. It's a Civic. So, apparently, it's just like the CR-V, and it locks into place. So, let's go back and show you how this actually works. So, I don't have to tell you this, but the plastic's very brittle. Okay, so this snaps into this little square. It's way harder when it's up there, but that's how it works. This snaps into place, just like over here. See? So you gotta separate the two, and the plastic is quite brittle. You see how it pops out? But now, let's picture this up on there, and you have to separate these two. So the mirror sits in here. This stupid little curve. No, I can't even get it. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's up there. Right, look at this. It's like Lego. Okay. So the mirror sits right in the middle of that. So you have to separate this from this. My suggestion is pull straight out or get a hook tool like this. But you probably don't have a tool like this laying around. So you really want to pull straight. It is kind of it's stiffer plastic. It feels like it's breaking, but it probably won't. See how it all snaps together? This is the guts of it. So you looking at it this way, okay, the mirror would be right in the center, so you have to separate the two away from each other. Got it? Good. Now, the mirror. Do I have to show you this again? Pops right off. But this cover is on it, so let's put this all back and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so here's the problem. It's a very tight, and it's on a weird angle, and if you're as tall as I am, you're gonna have a tough time. So we got to get everything lined up, and it's a pain in the rear. So let's get this up out of our way again. See how this is bouncing around over here? Well, we have to take this back out. You see. So these right here pop in there. That's first. As you drop it. Okay. So let's mount it back up again. It's so tight, it's just stupid. So that's what you're doing. You're turning it. See? You're locking it into place. You're turning it and then locking it. Got it? Good. Now, felt meets up in that little channel right there. That's first. So put them back. Okay, now that's locked into place. Now we gotta fight this stupid thing and put that up so it lines up and snaps into place. Got it? Good. So you're lining all these little guys to each other. Make sure the round part obviously is on the mirror. And that's what you're doing. You're matching all of them up because it's so flimsy and it's so stupid. Look at this. You have to line all of them up. That's how you get them to snap back into place. I will not fail to mention that this is very aggravating. You have to line everything up. It's very flimsy, but you can get it because I just did after fighting for about 2 minutes. So everything's got to line up. That's the trick. Okay, and it will snap back into place. You see, all of it snap back. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.